from Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what is up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Welcome again. This is Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over the truth behind no personal guarantee business credit cards and what options you have as a new or existing small business owner. And like I said, the truth behind the whole word no PG, no personal guarantee business credit cards. So before I get into that, if you could please, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification on. We have over 70 videos that will teach you, business credit like no other channel out there. So I'd appreciate that. We're just under 5,000 subscribers. So please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I'll try to make this quick as possible, explaining it to you guys. So what is a no PG business credit card, no personal guarantee business credit card? So in short, simple terms, a no personal guarantee business credit card is a card that a bank may issue you that said they give you $10,000 or $20,000 credit limit for your business, whether it be MasterCard or Visa, and say you default, it won't come back on your personal credit as the business owner. It's only go on the business credit profile as a negative or, a bad debt. So that's what the whole word no personal guarantee, meaning typically they're going to only do a soft pull on your personal credit. Sometimes they don't, but it's mainly your business credit. And if your business, like I said, fails or doesn't succeed, then they can't come back after you to collect the money. Hopefully that doesn't happen to you guys. That's kind of why I'm breaking down these different options that you guys could have out there. Another reason why people don't like the personal guarantee, lines of credit or, business expenses, because if you do a personal guarantee, they usually will check your personal credit, and those inquiries hurt your credit anywhere from 2 to 5 points on your personal side. So, if in 1 year, if you're applying, say, for 5 different, commercial accounts, even if they're not credit cards, maybe they could be Office Depot or Staples or whatever, and you personal guarantee those business cards, that can drop your score, anywhere from 10 to 30 points, depending on how many inquiries you have in your personal guaranteeing. Anyhow, so let me get into it real quick because I don't want to make this video too long, but the truth behind the whole no personal guarantee business credit cards, in 2021, there is only one that I'm actually aware of that's an actual revolving business credit card that is no personal guarantee. That's the Sam's Club MasterCard, Business MasterCard. You cannot apply online. You have to do it in store. I'm not going to go over all the details on it. If you guys want me to make a standalone video about the Sam's Club Business MasterCard, no PG, then comment in the comment section below, and I'll make that about how to fill out the application and everything. But in short, you just fill out this application at home or at your business, print it off. And under the no PG section where it says personal guarantor information, you would leave this information blank. But you do have to, under the authorized representative signature, you do need to put your social security number and your personal phone number, date of birth, because that's part of the Patriot Act, the federal law. Like it says here, federal law requires Synchrony Bank to obtain and verify who you are that's applying for it. But it's not going to be a hard pull as long as you're not doing the personal guarantee part section. Anyways, like I said, I'll go through that, in another video. Just comment if you guys want me to make a video about the Sam's Club MasterCard, Business MasterCard. But this is the only no personal guarantee business credit card out there that is a revolving card. and it's underwritten through Synchrony Bank. Okay, so now we'll get into the other options, but they're not really credit cards per se. They're not really no PG business credit cards. They're more considered like American Express, like a corporate card that you have to pay back the balance in full within 30 days. It's a 30-day cycle usually. Some of them have weekly and biweekly and monthly, but they're not going to be revolving terms. So Divvy is one of them. You guys can check out the videos I've done with Divvy. We're a strategic partner. We've got so many hundreds upon hundreds approved, through the videos that we put out, with about Divvy, reviewing Divvy. What Divvy basically is, in short, it's expense management platform. They don't charge anything. It's free to use. As long as you're approved for it, it's free to use. And they give you a credit line. They use the Plaid platform, so they connect to your business bank account. And there's a few different algorithm metrics that they look at to decide what your credit limit will be, anywhere from $1,000 up to $500,000 credit limit. Like I said, it has to be paid back either weekly, biweekly, or monthly. You select that at the time of the application. If you guys want to fill out a Divvy application, you haven't already done so, please check out my other Divvy videos, because those kind of break down some data points that can help you have a better idea on if you can get approved or not. Use our link in the description below. But if you guys have any questions, like I said, my email will be below as well in the description. So reach out to me. But like I said, this is not really a credit card. Yes, it is a MasterCard, but you have to pay it back, like I said, at the max, every 30 days. So whatever you spend in that billing period of the 30 days, they're going to do a draw out of your business checking account once a month. But it could be biweekly as well, or weekly, depending on how you sign up for it. If you pay them back, weekly or biweekly, you get more rewards. But anyways, I'm not going to get into all that, like I said in this video. So Divvy is just like similar to American Express. There's Brex as well. Brex is getting easier to get approved for. Before, they had high requirements on how much you needed in the bank. I plan on making a video about Brex because we have 2 Brex accounts. So I have more data points to share with you guys on that. So it's like the same as Divvy as well. It's expense management platform. You get rewards, and but you do have to pay it back monthly. So that's one option. And then another one is ClearBank. I don't have personal experience with ClearBank, but you need to be making at least $10,000 per month. You do need to connect like your business bank accounts, your accounting software. It's more, I guess, based towards businesses that sell online. You're going to have a higher chance to get approved, like eBay or Amazon, PayPal, like you're selling online, Shopify, store. Because that's what they're basically looking at, a lot of that data in your accounting transaction data. So there's ClearBank, that's an option. They offer like I said, a line of credit as well. Why I wanted to include them is it's not like a corporate card, and it's not really a credit card. It's more so working capital, but they issue you a Visa, MasterCard. So that's why I wanted to kind of include it into this video. But like I said, you guys comment in the section below, in the comment section, on what you guys want more information about these different cards, and I will try to make a video about that. There's a newer one called Capital on Tap. You might have heard about it recently. They're a UK company, and they have been around for many years and all over Europe and Spain. I spoke to them a little bit. We got approved for one of my newer businesses for a $5,000 credit card line of credit. They issue limits anywhere from $1,000 to $50,000. I can't give you guys too many data points about them right now because I just got approved and I'm waiting to talk to their branding department. I've already talked to them once, so I'm still figuring all that out. So I'll release another video once I know more information to give you guys, but they kind of let you do a revolving. You have to pay back at least 10%. So if they approve you for 10,000 and you used all 10,000 in 1 month, then you can carry a balance, but you have to pay back a minimum of 10%. Or there's the pay in full option as well. And then ClearCard, you guys heard me talk about ClearCard. It was got over 13,000 views. I think they're scaling back because a lot of fraudulent applications came through, and since it was no PG, people were kind of, getting a line of credit and then disconnecting their bank account, their business bank account, and being dishonest to ClearCard, and they're self-funded, so it hurt them. So I don't really know what's going on with them right now, but I wouldn't suggest applying unless you're a medium-sized business and you have established business history with your bank account and everything, and you have plenty of liquid in your business bank account. But back to what this whole video was supposed to be about is the truth behind no personal guarantee business credit cards. There really is only one, like I said, and that's the Sam's Club Business MasterCard that you have to do in store. That's the only no PG. All the other ones are going to have some type of fintech association where they're going to check your business bank account activity to decide what your credit limit is going to be. And most of them are going to do a soft pull on your personal credit. Like Debbie and Brex, it's no personal guarantee. The other ones really don't have personal guarantee, but they're still going to soft pull you. They need to verify who you are. If you guys have any other questions or whatever, comment below. But when it comes down to like no personal guarantee business credit cards, like I said, there's only this one. So if you're looking for revolving credit cards for your business, you're going to need to have good credit and already have like established banking relationship with your different financial institutions. And most of them are going to require, pretty much, I don't want to say most of them, all of them will require a personal guarantee. So whether it be Navy Federal, Bank of America, US Bank, whoever, Chase, American Express, they're all going to require a personal guarantee. Some of them may or may not report to the business bureaus. In fact, most of them won't really report to the business bureaus, and some of them won't even report to your personal credit, as far as the utilization goes. But there's a lot of them that will report the utilization on your personal credit, even though it's a personal guaranteed business card. So those are things you want to do your own research. I've covered a lot of them already in other videos. I can't really make a video about every single one of them in one video because each one of them has different policies. But if you guys want me to do a review on any particular business credit card out there, please drop a comment in the comment section and I'll do my best to get around to making that content for you guys. All right. So if you guys like this video, please smash that thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification on. Really appreciate it. You guys take care. Till next time. Bye.